Hi guys, my name is Vinod Porzale. Today's date is 14 Jan 2021 and today's topic is the synchronization daemon thread in Java. First is the synchronization in Java. The synchronization in Java, it is the capability to control and access the multiple threads into the shared the resources. In Java, synchronization is the better option where we want to allow the only one thread to access the shared resources. Why use the synchronization? Synchronization mainly two types of the used in prevent thread interface and prevent consist of the problems, and in the two types of the synchronizations in the process synchronization and thread synchronization. Thread synchronization, it is the two types of the synchronization: mutual exclusive and inter thread communicated. In the mutual exclusive, in the synchronization method, synchronization block and synchronization thread, three types of the using in manual exclusive and cooperations in the inter-thread communicate in Java. Manually exclusive, in the manually exclusive help to the keep threads, and from the interfacing the with the another while sharing data, it is can be achieved by the using the following three ways. First is the by synchronization method, by using the synchronization block and by using static synchronization. Concept of the lock in Java. Synchronization, it is the built around the internal entity, is known as the lock of or and the every object it has to lock associated with the it by conversations in the thread that need to consist of the access to access object and field to the has acquire the accessing them. In synchronization method, if you declare any methods as a synchronized, it is known as the synchronized method. Synchronized method, it is the used to the lack of object or any shade of the resources. The when we thread the invoke the synchronization method, it is automatically acquire the lack of object and release the thread incomplete, it is the task. Last is the daemon thread in Java. Daemon thread in Java, it is the services provider thread that provide the services to access user thread, and it is the life depend on the micro of user threads. That is when we will the user and threads the GVM terminate and thread automatically. So there are many Java domain threads you running automatically, for example GC and finalization etc. There are the many Java domain thread running the automatically. You can be see all the details by the typing the JS console in the command prompt. In the JC console is to provide the tools and information about the loaded classes and memory uses to the running threads etc. In the why using the JVM terminate the daemon thread if there is no user thread. Solve the solve the purpose of the thread it is that to be if the provide services to user thread for the background and supporting the task if you their user thread. Why should we keep the running this thread? And methods of the Java domain thread by using the thread classes. Method is the public void state domain, and it is used to the mark the current thread as the domain and thread by user the thread. And public boolean is is domain. It is the used to the check the current domain. These types of the using the daemon and synchronization in Java. So thank you guys.